NDTV Hindu.
Hi there, welcome to your 30 minutes of fun and entertainment from the world of Shift Focus. It's been a week filled with theatre productions and various celebrations, which means Chennai has been quite the busy bee. As always, I'm Natasha giving you all the action that just passed us by. Chaos Theory gives us the formula of imperfect chemistry. A biblical story all about Anna of Nazareth. And Satyam Cinema's gaming zone Blur turned 1. If you're a person madly in love with the English language, then you're at the right place and at the right time. Shift Focus brings you the play Chaos Theory. I was truly taken by the beautiful quotations from the golden age of Shakespeare, Woodhouse and Robert Burns. Zone into the world of imperfect physics. Directed by Rahul Dakunha, Chaos Theory is a comedy of ideas that traces the decades, words and lives of two people who spend a lifetime together but never express their real emotions.
Chaos Theory is a love story, but a love story between two people who can't tell each other that they love each other. And so there's a lot of intellect going on, a lot of chat going on, and under the surface there's a lot of emotion and stuff. And I think Chennai, I'll be honest, is I think one of the most intelligent audiences I've ever performed in. You know, these are people who appreciate the theatre, they read a lot, there's a great amount of understanding of the theatre. And so Chennai has generally been a pleasure always to perform in.
Music be the food of love, play on.
12th night, act 1, scene 1.
Your wit's too hot, its speed's too fast, twill tire.
Love's labor lost, act 2, scene 1.
Praising what is lost makes the remembrance dear.
All's well that ends well, act 2, scene 1.
Never mind, you win. How much was it for? 20, right?
No.
Fine, 50, yeah.
The
Count
production
it.
usually takes about 2.5 months to stage. This particular one rehearsing is always tricky because you're finally working with actors who are rehearsing an emotion and then they have to reproduce that same emotion night after night after night and make it seem like it's the first time. And that is always the most difficult thing to maintain, especially over a long period of time in a play.
This production had some popular faces of the Indian English theatre scene. Shehnaz Patel, Rajat Kapoor and Zafar Karachiwala to name a few.
Actually, both the characters are really smart, intelligent, wonderful, witty people. And as what was difficult about her was that she is insanely in love with this guy, but she can just never get around to saying it. We've performed in Chennai before and we just love the audience here because it's an extremely clever, sharp audience and you have to do a really good show to impress them. So it's quite a challenge and lovely.
It's a pattern here.
Hey, you want to play a game?
At our age,
It's a game for all ages. I quote a line from a Shakespeare play, you guess the work.
testing my knowledge of fiction, are you?
No, of fact. If you lose, you'll be 5 rupees.
That's vandalism. How about chess? You play chess?
Everything that grows holds imperfection but a little moment.
Sonnet 15?
Very good. Life's uncertain voyage.
Timon of Athens.
Poor soul, the center of my sinful earth.
Sonnet 146.
They say an old man is twice a child.
Hamlet. Looks like somebody owes me money.
To catapult the audience into different time zones, the transitions between scene changes had famous songs and projected images from the 70s, 80s and 90s.
My character is a professor of English. Again, extremely erudite, just like Anahita's character. Really well-read, hyper-intelligent, really intellectual, but he hides emotion within that intellect. and within that intelligence. So it's become a sort of thing of shoving things under the carpet, and especially his emotions and his feelings towards his best friend slash this person that he's madly in love with ever since they were kids at St. Stephen's College, where they met for the first time. And the play basically takes you along that whole graph, that whole path from their college days to much later in life, them together in New York. And it's all about the unsaid. I mean, the two words that describe the whole play is love imperfect. You know, so it's this love story, but it's just they never come around to. It's a Harry Met Sally situation. They never come around to really expressing that love.
What? Where is it? You know, Kafka once said that death is the only objective reality. And this got me thinking for a while about depression and loneliness. And then I ate a pomegranate. And while staring at its seeds, this poem, a glimpse in my mind's eye in fragments, started piecing itself together. The idea around the death of a collective, the cruel death of a nation. It came from voices in my head. Many of them in languages I don't know.
Oh my God.
It's called Your Samosa and My Vagina. The samosa, as you all know, is an Indian snack.
This play is an exploration of love, not as perfect chemistry, but as the chaos theory suggests, an imperfect physics. Shift focus has been introduced to a lot of theatre productions lately, and here's one that we can definitely relate to because it's so human. Presenting to you Tunnel Vision by the Madras Players. The Madras Players presented the national premiere of the original stage adaptation of Shandana Minha's Tunnel Vision. This was a story of Aisha Siddiqui, 31 and unmarried.
I felt there was a lot of similarity between Aisha and me. And I think even Nikhila might be feeling the same way too. I mean, a lot of people nowadays, I mean, who are independent and career-oriented and still having this parental pressure from family and society that you need, you're 25 or you're 30 or you're 35, you better get married and, you know, start a family. So I could relate to it, though I just kind of crossed that point. And the shades of a character and the zoning in between, you know, zoning between times was fabulous, and what she had in mind in terms of design and interpretation and the relationships that Aisha had with the mom and the lover and the brother. I think it was absolutely, very challenging, extremely complex. Complexity is what totally attracted me.
The play was directed by Nikhila Kesavan. It showcased a constant comparison between Aisha's past and present, as her husband threw up provoking questions about the same.
I think any work of art is a success if you can take back home with you either a moment, an image, or a line, or a sentence.
Why do you want to die? Because I don't want to suffer anymore. What brings you suffering? Everything? Everyone? Your mother? Of course. Adil? No. Saad? No.
Sparkling and intense, Tunnel Vision held a mirror to the complexities of human relationships.
I'm Anuradha Rao and I'm playing the role of Ammi, that is the main character's mother. It's a very complex mother relation, daughter relationship, love-hate, and the mother has been through a lot in her life and trying to get her daughter or prevent her daughter from making similar mistakes, but doesn't come out terribly motherly in the process of doing that. So it's a very interesting love-hate relationship and lot of complexity to the character. And my challenge when I saw the script was how to make the woman or the audience sympathetic to the woman and not make her an out and out nasty character.
Dacoits, cutthroats, pickpockets. If they saw an injured man, they'd rob him rather than help him. Especially if it was planned. You know they're getting people like us right now. They're mowing us down in plain sight.
If something like that had happened, we would have known about it by now. It would be on the news.
When has Karachi ever been on the news, huh? When? It's all the president, this and the prime minister, that. 75 people can die in a day in Karachi, and the Shaikha said she'll still pretend nothing happened. The only information they give about Karachi on the Khabarnama is the humidity level.
Abba's a government employee. They take care of their own.
Take care of their own? It's the government that's behind those butchers.
My name is Arya, and I think this was a very interesting play. It had, they showed the problems the family has, the mother-daughter relationship, all that was interesting, and there was some comedy as well, which I liked.
Set in contemporary Karachi, Shadana Minhas presents a new kind of Pakistani woman, created by a society which, according to Minhas, has failed to evolve. Theatre plays are getting more and more popular here in Chennai. But what we have coming up is something that will tickle your taste buds. The Yummy Cheetos Whoosh range added another snack bite to its collection. It's got pure cheese.